Relatively shorter term question coming your way, Saurabh, on RVNL. And if I remember correctly, it did win an order as well today, unless I'm mistaken. Tom's Verghese is writing in from Bengaluru. Bought at levels of 432, this is RVNL. And so he's incurring a loss. He's looking to hold for at least another 6 months, but he's wondering whether to hold for that time frame or to exit at this point. So 100 plus crore order that they announced today, not moving too much, but then quite a few small orders coming through for this company as well, Saurabh. Once again, you're seeing that trickle of orders coming through. Would you hold? What are the prospects on the earnings front?
See, on the earning side, you get visibility on the revenue side, but if you look at the margins and the profitability, it is not at par with the valuation at which the stock is trading in. I mean, still after a lot of correction, the stock is trading about 9 times to book value, which seems to be quite high. And in fact, the operational numbers do not suggest that the pain is over. 6 months time frame is quite a shorter time frame. I would suggest to look for the opportunity to get out of the stock.
Okay, look for an opportunity to get out is the view on RVNL. If you are to stay within that overarching space though, maybe play the railways theme, and I hesitate to ask, but I will also include manufacturing and defense, even though several of these stocks are now at multi-year highs in terms of valuations. Would you buy anything right now?
See, if you look at the defense space, only company that I like is Bharat Electronics. Otherwise, in many of the companies, we will find while the stock prices have gained a lot after the recent corrections, but on the operational side, the numbers are not suggesting that valuation. I mean, the companies are not giving that into the numbers. The profitability and the revenue growth is not visible. So, in that sense, I would suggest you can also go for companies in the construction side like HG, maybe HG Infra.
HG Infra. Okay, HG Infra is something that you can maybe research on. Yogesh is calling us from Jaipur. Yogesh, very good morning to you. PNB is something you want to know about?
Yeah. Good morning, Guru. Thank you for attending my phone. So that actually, I want to know that I have a PNB for nearby COVID time.
Yeah, very attractive buy price, I see. 32.5 rupees.
Yeah. Or last time I missed it. It was on 140 something. I missed. I think it will go high.
Right.
Now, what I do for that? Actually, I have a good profit in my side.
Yes. But then, question for you, Yogesh, do you need the money right now?
No, I don't need money. Actually, I am an investor. And last time I talk about my ITC and everything. I booked a lot of the profit.
Right.
This time I have 3-4 stocks inside. Both are actually I am getting a lot of profit inside.
Yes. Okay, so you want to know whether to take some money off the table, whether there are better prospects than PNB.
Yeah. Or which stocks I will go for next.
Understood.
That is my query for you.
Understood. So then from that perspective, Saurabh, the question to you, it's been a little bit of a stop-start rally for the PSB or public sector banks. And Punjab National Bank, in the ranking of public sector banks, I think a lot of people pick the likes of State Bank of India first, or something like even a Canara Bank I've heard people talking about. So would you say that he can hold on to the gains that he's made in PNB, or are there better prospects in your opinion?
See, first of all, we have a positive view on the PSBs. We feel that the valuations are comforting, and in contrast, they are putting up a good show. Also, there is an expectation that the credit growth will also get boost in the second half after the recent RBI cut and the cut in the cash reserve ratio also. With respect to the PNB, it is floating at 1 time to book value. The NPAs have come down, the GNPA have come down. There was a bit of pressure on the NIMs, but it was seen across banking, PSU banking. In my opinion, I think it is still a good stock to hold.